Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope, and we are going to do a tutorial on preparing graphic for a HTML file, and I'm going to teach you the exact right method of doing so, and I'm also going to teach you what the best format of the images. So what I do when I build HTML websites is use images to define the design and the coloring of the HTML document. But what I do, and what you do have to do, is use separate pieces according to tables, like I've shown you in the previous HTML tutorials. And this tutorial is going to show you how to use animate to develop the graphic for that purpose. So rectangle tool, pull out a rectangle. Now that rectangle could be a button. I'm not going to design it to be a button. I'm going to show you what to do. So you go over to document settings and 100 by 30. That now is 100 pixels width and height 30 pixels. And that is the canvas of your stage, which is the white piece. And believe it or not, the white piece is what you export. But I leave a piece behind it to make it invisible. And the only way you can do that is by exporting a PNG. And believe it or not, if you put a rectangle behind it and cover the whole stage, it will not be transparent. That means no. And the transparency makes the background invisible, so you can then use your color settings of HTML to fill in the line or the background of your table at the same time as having an image file which is a button. And then if it was a button, for example, you would definitely then be able to link the button to another page or another place according to URL, which is Uniform Resource Locator. And to export this piece, you would go to File. This is Animate I'm using. Like I say, I use Animate to make my graphic from the web. Export image. And it's on PNG 24 transparency tick. You just go up to name, pick PNG 24, then just go save, then just go bar button and save it wherever you want to save it. I'm going to save it in HTML pieces. Save, shut down, no. You would choose yes to save it, obviously. I'm just going to show you that in HTML pieces, this bar button is only the bar button. There's no background, no nothing. All it shows is the exact rectangle, and that can be added to your HTML document with image source, quotation marks, and the exact way I taught you how to make an image appear in HTML inside of your tables. And this is a short talk really, but it's also a tutorial, and I thank you for listening.